Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a battered OnePlus 8 Pro that needs both a new display and a new back cover. So David, let's get to it. So we have a broken OnePlus 8 Pro that is still responsive, but in terms of the physical damage, it's really excessive and not anymore safe to use. And we are gonna start our repair by removing this gorgeous back cover that's supposed to be blue, but now it's blue with a lot of cracks on it. I'm gonna slice through the adhesive, and then we're gonna dispose of it properly. Put that to the side, and you can see there's wireless charging coils, and we're gonna unscrew everything so we can access the main boards. So unlike your Samsung smartphones, this one is gonna take the removal of the back cover and the main display on the front. But we have a way of testing if the replacement display will work with the board itself by accessing this connector on the corner. So what we're gonna do now is take out our replacement display, attach it to this connector, and try to turn on this OnePlus 8 Pro. And it's showing a promising sign of life. We're gonna wait until it boots up, and it did. So I think this is a pretty good time to say that all we have to do now is to disassemble everything. David is excited as always. The cameras are also functional, so let's get to our full disassembly of this smartphone. Before we can do that though, we are going to remove the lens glass from the back cover. Since we're going to dispose the back cover anyway, we're going to transplant it to the new back cover. It's got a lot of adhesive. Here we have a brand new back cover. And we're gonna install it with fresh liquid glue. Just align it and voila. We're gonna put that to the side for now, let it dry, and focus our attention to the main housing with the broken display. Here, David is wearing thick gloves so that he doesn't injure himself in the process of removing this front display. We're gonna put a little bit of liquid alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, to soften the glue, and then slice through the adhesive. It's gonna be tricky because this is now starting to disintegrate as we move further in. And we're gonna remove the last side by slicing through the adhesive literally with a razor. So this is not recommended for I think the newbies of smartphone repairs. If you don't have the experience or the tools to do this job, then maybe let the pros do it, like David here. And a few bit more. There you go. And we're gonna clean up the residue from the old glue, and then put our fresh liquid glue onto the housing so that it will hold on to our replacement display pretty well. And the housing still remains the same. It's still blue. I think the display is also black, so nothing's changed there. But I think we have a different color for the back cover. Such a shame because I like that color for the back cover, but hey, it's better in terms of its physical condition. And we are now gonna reassemble everything, reverse what we have done to it. Make sure we have all the screws in the device and install our new back cover. But first we're gonna test it, and it's still working. Look at that. We're just gonna let the glue cure, and as we remove the liquid residue from the back. If you have any issues with your OnePlus 8 Pro like this one, don't hesitate to message us. David, look at that expression. David is so happy he's done this right. And we are gonna give you reasonable prices for all repairs. So if you want to refresh your OnePlus 8 Pro, here is your sign. Message us, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. We have new videos coming up in the coming days. And look at that, side by side before and after. And the back cover. Amazing. See you next time, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.